Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today we delve into one of the most perplexing discoveries of ancient Egypt, the Saqqara bird. Did the ancient Egyptians possess the knowledge to invent flight thousands of years before modern aviation? Let's uncover this fascinating mystery. The Saqqara bird is a small wooden artifact thought to date back to around 200 BC. Measuring just about 7 inches in length, it resembles a bird with outstretched wings. Discovered in a tomb at Saqqara, it captured the attention of archaeologists and aeronautical engineers alike. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Saqqara bird is its potential aerodynamic design. Some researchers suggest that its shape mimics that of a glider, leading to theories that the ancient Egyptians might have understood the principles of flight. However, the intriguing question remains, did this bird represent an attempt at flight? Sarcastic theorists like Dr. David Williams assert that the artifact was likely used as a toy or decorative piece. In contrast, aeronautical enthusiasts argue its aerodynamic features could indicate a deeper understanding of flight. So what did the ancient Egyptians know about physics and flight? While there's no definitive evidence to prove they built flying machines, we do know they were advanced in mathematics, engineering, and astronomy. Their monumental constructions, like the pyramids, required incredible planning and skill, hinting at a sophisticated understanding of science. The Saqqara bird ignited interest not just in historical circles, but in the field of aviation itself. Its resemblance to modern aircraft, and the possibility that ancient civilizations might have harnessed the fundamentals of flight before the Wright brothers, pushes us to reconsider the narrative of technological progress. While the potential for flight captures the imagination, we must consider other theories about the Saqqara bird's purpose. Some suggest it was a ceremonial object, possibly connected to funeral rites or beliefs in the afterlife. In ancient Egyptian culture, birds often symbolized the soul or the journey to the heavens. The notion of flight isn't unique to Egypt. Many ancient cultures, from the Greeks with their tales of Icarus to the Chinese with their early constructs of kites and flying toys, share stories and artifacts that celebrate the dream of soaring through the skies. This universal fascination could suggest a shared human impulse to reach for the heavens. The Saqqara bird continues to influence and inspire. As engineers and scientists explore the principles of flight, this ancient artifact serves as a reminder that the quest for understanding and innovation stretches back millennia, prompting us to learn from the past as we innovate for the future. As we conclude our exploration, let us ponder the ingenuity that links us to our ancestors. The Saqqara bird not only represents a unique artifact, but also encapsulates the aspirations and dreams of humanity throughout history. It prompts us to be curious, explore, and respect the intellectual contributions of those who came before us. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysterious world of the Saqqara bird, Please like this video, subscribe for more fascinating historical explorations, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the possibilities of ancient flight? Let us know. Thank you for joining us today. Keep questioning, exploring, and appreciating the wonders of our world. We'll see you in our next adventure.